Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tommy D, and I'll be your host on this ride. All right, so today we're going to be looking at Cliplama again. I did one video a couple days ago. Check it out. I'm going to put the link up here if I can. And but anyway, just check it out. So that was doing one mode. We're going to do another mode today. So, but anyway, this is the type of videos that this thing puts out, man. They're freaking awesome. I have very few mistakes. Very few where it puts out a landscape image where it's supposed to be a portrait image, you know, that kind of thing. Also, you know, stuff, none of that. Okay. It does get these little, these I've been talking to Igor, the owner. It gets these little NSF flags. I've had them a couple of times, but nothing with your material wise. It's perfect. Okay. But anyway, let's check it out. So like I said, these are some of the videos it puts out here. And the way the process works is, we'll show you in the back office here in a minute, but basically that's a frame of it right there. So what it looks like, you put in your, video description here, blah, 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 hit some toggles, create a video. Okay. You can actually schedule your videos too. I do not. Okay. And also right now, he's got TikTok set up, but not YouTube at this time, as you can see, seen. But anyway, yeah. So if you want to make it automatic, totally, you can. I'm one of those guys, OCD. I got to put that final little buff, little shine on it, whatever. Okay. So I transfer out and then I go to like CapCut or something like that and edit. All right. But anyway, the customers love it. Just like I'm telling you, man, I give him 5 stars. And let me tell you, so going back to where I did have contact with Igor, he is super fast with his responses, and he cares about his people and this product, and he's looking to improve it every day. So hats off to him, man. Great job on this. I love it, dude. All right, so this is the pricing here. He's got a little free, just, you know, go in there and get a taste of it, but it comes with watermark and you can't download it and, you know, all that crap. So, but basically it's just for you to test the wheels, you know, crank it up, run it one time, see what's up. And that's all real need. But to follow that up, currently he's got a 30% off, man. That's a third, y'all. Understand? So the basic plan is 25 videos. The creator plan is 60 and the pro is 150. Now I'm on the 150. I've yet to reach 150 because I mess around with several generators. But anyway, I've yet to hit one. No, and that's another thing too. When he says 150 videos, he means that. Okay, it's not, well, I took 10 credits from here and took 2 from there. No, none of that stuff. All right, it's straight up, and that's one thing I like. There's nothing hidden about this. He's throwing everything out there, letting you see it, and this is what it is. All right, so that's what I love it. We're in the back office now, and you get your little create. You can go to your save videos, you can go to your scheduling, and of course account. All right. Now here's the 3 modes I was talking about earlier. I did a video the other day. I'm gonna try to put it over here if I can. But I did the AI mode. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do today is the AI plus manual mode. All right. But anyway, you can put in your description of video here. And one thing that I like is this little slider here. You can make it actually show your entire script or less or whatever. So I really like that. That's cool. All right. And so your next choice is come here. You got your languages. Check it out, y'all, man. This is a lot of freaking languages that you can put this, right? I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Tons of it. All right. So anyway, we're going English for the purposes of this video. Then you can go in here and choose your voice. You've got 4 male voices to choose from and 2 female voices. Okay. And on this video, we're going to use Echo. You guys heard this. I'm going to go ahead and let you get
in the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has a beautiful pond.
Go ahead and select our voice. Then we'll hit confirm. Then you come down here. Now you get to choose. He's got a up to 2-minute videos or the regular shorts, which is less. Now, but anyway, so we got that minute and a 2. So now the next selection, you got your portrait, your square, or your landscape. All right, square, y'all. That's cool, isn't it? Not too many people do that. So put that in your hat. But anyway, we're using portrait today. Now on the generate music, I'm not throwing any shade, Igor. I promise, brother. I'm pumping you, but it's not perfected yet, let's say. But I'm one of those people that likes to. I'm a little OCD, so I like to bring it out and put it on my own editor, which I use CapCut and polish it up and shiny, all that prettiness. But anyway, the generate music, now, hey, if you are in a crunch and you're trying to produce mass, then why not, right? No shade, Agora, promise. Love you, brother. Anyway, all right, so we've got all of our information here. And of course, I told you we're the AI plus manual mode, right? So the cool thing about it is, check it out, hit start. So what's going to do now is it's putting our script together and it's coming up with the scenes and all that stuff. And it's going to put it up here for us. And we're going to be able to look at it and determine if we want to make any changes or we go ahead with it. So usually it takes about a minute. So you just kind of scan it over, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, looks great, looks great, looks great, looks great, looks great. Yeah, awesome, awesome. Okay, so this means we're going to have 10 scenes in this thing. So I bet you it's going to run about 50 something seconds. But anyway, so we're assuming that we've gone through our text lines and our image lines. Everything's great. Now all you have to do is come down here. Oh, you skipping the estimated right there, 45 seconds. That's cool. All right, so then once you've got your everything confirmed that you need, all you need to do is just come down here. We're going to hit generate a video. Now this usually takes, like it says, 2 to 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do for purposes, I'm going to pause the video and come right back. And booyah, we're back, y'all. Check it out. All right, so here's our completed video. And I'm just going to go, it's only 47 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and play it in its entirety, and then we'll go from there.
Oh, Ivan the Terrible's reign was one of the most brutal in history. Meet Ivan IV, Russia's first Tsar. Born in 1530, his early life was violent and tragic. Crowned Tsar at just 3 years old, Ivan's reign started with bloodshed. In 1547, he crowned himself Tsar and began reducing the power of the boyars. He expanded Russia's territory by conquering Kazan and Astrakhan, but his creation of the Oprishtina marked his infamy, seizing lands and executing traitors. In 1570, Ivan ordered the massacre of Novgorod, resulting in thousands of deaths. Ivan's paranoia and violent outbursts led to his son's death. His legacy, expansion, and unparalleled brutality. If you liked our content, share it with a friend. Did you know Ivan the Terrible's reign?
All right, y'all, what do you think? Pretty badass, right? Okay, now that was straight out the farm. I didn't do anything to it. Nada, nada, nada. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can do a couple things to it if you like. Now, first of all, we'll start off with the text. So we'll go over here to captions, and you can simply, bam, you don't even have to regenerate it. Okay, they're just gone. I don't do music, like I said, so this video has no music because I didn't generate any. Okay, so let's go back to the timeline. All right, so now if you do want to export, this is going to give you your description and everything. When you ship it over to YouTube or doesn't have YouTube yet, but TikTok so far, and it'll put that description on the video. Okay, but like I said, I'm a exporter, so I do my own little shiny stuff. All right, okay, so let's go over timeline. Here is what is going to come across the text. Okay, so if there's anything in here you don't like, you hit the little pen button there, or your little edit button. And now the thing about this, it does not change the audio, okay, but this changes the text. All right, but I'm just, like I said, I don't put any text up. I thought that was a pretty cool font they used, but I don't use it. I put my own. So anyway, if you want to edit your image, okay, so here is the prompt that was used to give that image. Now it says 0.1 video credit. That's how good it comes. Matter of fact, that proves my point. That's how good it comes out, because I don't have to use the regenerate that much. Props to Igor. What's up? You can also search pixels, put in there what you want. Boom. And also your own uploads. Okay, so if you've got a file that you need to put in there yourself, or maybe a brand or whatever, boom, there's your spot, right? All right, so now let me show you just a quick little play of this. Just watch 10 seconds of this real quick.
Did you know Ivan the Terrible's reign was one of the most brutal in history? Meet Ivan IV, Russia's first Tsar. Born in 1530, his early life was violent and tragic.
The scene changes and all that stuff. Okay, so that's fresh out the box, no changes made. So come over here to video effects, and on your first scene, here's something that I include in all mine, y'all, is the bounce. All right, you don't have to, but it's a thought. Now, you've got your exit transitions, fade, wipe, slide, flip, clock wipe. I like flip and slide. Flip and slide. All right. Anyway, you can change the rotation midway, and here's your rotation. You can choose left or right, whichever. I play around either way. I just come in here and stomp around, all kind of stuff. Now you can also, this is cool, you can change your zoom position. So you can put it at a corner in the middle or wherever. Then your zoom, you can also decide in, out, or you can hit a little toggle there and it makes it in and out. Follow? And then you can go down and you just hit each little new scene and make it up how you want it. All right, guys, that about wraps up the video for today. If you would, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and use my link in the description to check out this Cliplama. It supports the channel and keeps me motivated. Until the next time, peace.